Assalamualaikum students, welcome to another video. And so today we discuss about the expansions and factorizations of the algebraic expressions. And normally in examining question is having simplify, expand and simplify. So first of all we have the five questions for the example. So we take one by one. So first one, we question number one, minus 3a and into 2a plus 3b. So first one is minus 3a and 2a plus 3b. So once again we open the multiply, minus 3a multiply whole brackets, and minus will be minus plus minus 3 to the 6, and 6a multiplied by a, so it's a square, minus plus minus 3 3 is a 9, and a multiplied by b, so it's ab. So this one is the answer of part A, and it's only be the expand, not be the simplify. In the simplify, we have to like to all together the like terms, but here will be not be the like terms, so that's why we cannot be all together. So it's only be simplify, only be expand, not be simplify. Question number 2. So look at the question number 2. It's 7a into 3b minus 4c plus 4a 3c minus 2b. So now first of all we multiply 7a multiply the whole bracket. So 7 3s are 21. A multiplied by b, it's ab, and minus 7 4s are 28. A multiplied by c, it's ac. So plus 4 multiplied by 3, it's 12. A multiplied by c, it's ac, plus minus minus 4 2s are 8, and a multiplied by b, it's ab. So now we have expand the question, expand the brackets. Now we move on to another one, expand and simplify. In this question we have to simplify in altogether the like terms. So just like this, 21ab and minus 8ab. So these are the like terms, minus 28ac plus 12ac. So plus minus minus, these two are the like terms. AB and AB are the like terms, so that's why we add or subtract. So 21 minus 8. So answer should be 13. So it's 13 AB, and plus minus minus and 28 minus 12. So it's minus 16 and AC. Plus minus minus 28 minus 12. So answer should be 16 AC. So these are the simplification, and you have to expand and simplify. Now move on to question number 3. So question 3 is x plus y and x plus 6y. So first of all we have the two bracket, first one and the second one. In the first one bracket you put out the first value of the first bracket. So we put out the same this one values, x will be multiply the whole bracket with the second one. So x plus 6y, and the next one plus y multiply once again the whole bracket, x plus 6y. So x multiplied by x, so it's x square plus 6, 1 is 6, it's only 6, x multiplied by y, so it's xy plus x multiplied by y, so it's once again xy and plus 6y square. So now we have altogether the like term. So just like this, 6xy plus 1xy, so x square plus 7xy plus 6y square. So these are the answer. So you have to expand and simplify of question number 3, and so on. Move on to question number 4. So question number 4, 2n p minus 2n minus 4n n minus 2p. So first once again 2 n multiplied by p, so it's np, minus 2 to the 4 n multiplied by n, so it's n square, minus 4 n multiplied by n, so it's n square, minus minus plus 4 to the 8 np. So 2np, and we have altogether the like terms, 2np plus 8np. So minus 4n square minus 4n square. So plus 2 plus 8 plus 2, it's 10. 10 and p minus minus plus, so that's why 4n square plus 4n square we have the 8n square. We have all together the like terms. So these are the questions number 4, and once again we do the question number 5 as well. Okay. Question number 5. X plus 9y, x plus 3y plus 1. So first of all, we put out x will be the out and from the bracket and multiply the whole bracket. So x will be multiply the whole bracket. So x plus 3y plus 1 plus minus 9y, once again multiply by the whole bracket, x plus 3y plus 1. So x square plus 3xy plus x plus 9xy plus 9 is a 27y square plus 9y. So once again we add together the like terms. So x square 3xy plus 9xy and plus x. So x will be the x will not be the like term. So 3xy plus 9xy plus x plus 27y square plus 9y. So x square plus 3 plus 12xy plus x plus 27y square plus 9y. So these are the answer of the simple of expand and simplification. So also students, in the questions of the expansion and factorization of the algebraic expression, we have the simplification and expansion of because of the expand. When we have the two brackets just like this, a plus b at the first one bracket and c plus d into the second one. So first we have first of a. So first you choose the bracket of 1 of the value of 1. So multiply to the second one. So a multiplied by c plus d, and next one plus b multiplied by c plus d. So we have all together. So like terms will be all together, but only with the question just like this question number 1. We have only with the expansion not be simplified because having we are not with the like terms. So that's why we cannot be simplified. Where you have a simplification and you have the like terms, so you simplify the answers. So hope so students you understand about the expansion and factorization of the algebraic expressions. So you have any questions regarding D1, D2, D3, D4 and maybe of IJCSE Maths 0580. You simply ask me through my YouTube channel. So hope so inshallah you will be understand this topic and we will be continue from the next lecture. Stay tuned, keep watching, subscribe, like and share my channel as well. Thank you.